guys, we are looking at some angle problems today. This first problem says if the ray BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC, find X and the measure of angle ABC. All right, let's break this down. So I've got BD here, which is an angle bisector. This is kind of the key word here. When I hear angle bisector, this means that this line BD cuts the angle ABC into two equal angles. It's not just randomly cutting it when they say it's a bisector. It is cutting them into two equal angles. So that means this angle is equal to this angle, which is super helpful for me because then I can go ahead and set these equal to each other. 8x minus 6 is equal to 5x plus 12. Then I'm just going to go ahead and solve for x. So I need to get my x's together. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides, which will give me 3x minus 6 equals 12. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 6 to both sides, get 3x equals 18. Divide by 3 on both sides, and we get x equals 6. Awesome. All right, that was one of the things I wanted. We found x. Now we want to find the measure of angle ABC. So I'm going to go ahead and plug 6 in here. 8 times 6 gives me 48. Minus 6 gives me 42 degrees. Now, this one should be 42 as well, right? I can assume that, or we can check. Let's check. 5 times 6 gives me 30. Plus 12 gives me 42. Awesome. All right, so if this one's 42 and this one's 42, when I put them all together, the measure of angle ABC is going to be 84 degrees. Awesome. All right, let's take a look at our next one. The ray XZ is the angle bisector, again, remember that's my keyword, of angle WXY. Find A and the measure of angle WXY. So again, bisector, which tells me that this ray cut this into two equal angles. So I can go ahead and set this up as 5A plus 2 equals 11A over 2. All right. Now I'm just solving for A. So I want to get rid of this divide by 2. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, which causes these to cancel. And I'm going to distribute this 2 to both of those factors. So I've got 2 times 5A, which will give me 10A. 2 times 2, which is 4. And this is equal to 11A. I want to get my A's together, so I'm going to minus 10A on both sides. So I end up with 4 equals, well, 11 minus 10 is 1. So I'm left with 1A, or we usually just write that as A, right? All right, we found A. Yay! Now we need to find the measure of angle WXY. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug in 4 for A. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22, which means this one should also be 22, but let's double check. 4 times 11 gives me 44, divided by 2 is 22. Yay! This is a great way to check yourself. If you plug back in and you get 2 different numbers, well, then go back and check. You must have done something somewhere. All right, so then the measure of angle WXY is both of these together. So 22 plus 22 is 44 degrees. Awesome. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you need some more angle videos, I've got lots. I'll link a playlist for you. Thanks.